Excuse me. Hey everybody, it's the Mass Spoofer. The one, the only, the original, the authentic gal from Bridgeport. And we have a storm coming. And it's not doing much just yet, but it's almost here. Ooh, did you see that? I got some lightning on camera. That was cool. I love sitting outside for a storm. I'm hoping the creepy sirens go off. We have a thunderstorm warning siren here that sounds like War of the Worlds. Or the Purge siren. It sounds like the Purge siren. It's creepy. I wonder if they would even play it this late at night. It seems like they would have already played it. It says, severe thunderstorm warning. Please take shelter immediately. And it has these loud horns. It sounds like fog horns on those big ships in the ocean. And then the guy comes on again. Severe thunderstorm warning. Please take shelter immediately. And you know what I do when that siren goes off? I run outside and try to record it instead of taking shelter. I mean, I'm kind of sheltered. We have this covered porch in the backyard. So I'm covered. I'm sheltered. I'm not outside getting wet. Hopefully lightning doesn't, like, fly under the shelter or something. I doubt that would happen. Maybe I should have waited. At least you got to see some cool lightning. The storm's not here. Right now on the radar, it's blue here. And then there's green, and then there's yellow and red. We're in the blue part right now, but it's coming. It's a big storm. Today it was 88 and muggy all day. And now it's in the 60s and it's windy, like this cold front came in. That is a formula for a really good storm, I hear. Maybe I should pause it and come back when it's better. I'll see if that works. Every time I pause it, it doesn't let me start the video back up again. Come on, siren. Surely this is a severe thunderstorm warning. To take shelter immediately. I bet they don't play sirens this late. It's midnight. Midnight in Texas. Midnight in the country. gotta stop that. Ooh, that wind is cold. I put a sweater on. I love the sweater. Ooh. I should have brought my tripod out here. I'm just sitting here holding the camera. That's why it's so shaky. Look at all that rain. Isn't it relaxing just watching the rain fall and listening to it? I think it is. Maybe I should just be quiet and let you enjoy the storm instead of my awful voice. Is it relaxing? I guess what I should do is I want to upload this video because there's a cool lightning strike at the beginning of it. And then I'll just watch the radar and record again when it gets bad. I always do the opposite. I think that's a Texas thing. Oh, you want me to go inside because there's a storm? No, I need to run outside and see how bad it is and look at and see for myself. We all do it. When a tornado siren goes off, I like to run outside and see if I can see the funnel cloud. And it's stupid. What if there really is a funnel cloud and I'm standing outside? My husband doesn't let me though. If he's home and a tornado siren goes off, he makes me go get in the closet. He won't let me go outside and look at the sky. But he's right. One of these days there really will be a tornado, and the last thing I need to do is be standing outside with my phone trying to record it. It's always good when you can laugh at yourself. You should always laugh at yourself. If you do something and screw up, just be like, yeah, I did. Ha ha. Make a joke out of yourself. And then people will just be like, oh, whatever, haha, and they'll laugh with you instead of at you. That's what I do. Alright, I'm gonna stop this video and watch the radar, and when it gets into the yellow or the red, maybe there'll be more action. If not, I hope y'all are getting sleep, because I'm not. I'm sitting up watching a storm. I was watching Joe Bob Briggs on Shudder. I don't know what the second movie is. I missed the beginning of the second movie. I was busy doing some things. The first movie was called Trauma Wars. It's a Lloyd Kaufman film. And it was really bad. I don't really care, honestly. People are gonna hate me for saying this. It's in the horror world. I don't really like Lloyd Kaufman's movies. Those trauma movies are just so stupid. I mean, I like a good B horror flick that I can laugh at because it's awful, but I don't know. I don't like Lloyd Kaufman's movies. He did the Toxic Avenger, and of course Trauma Wars, which I saw tonight, kind of, and Blood-Sucking. Was it Blood-Sucking Freaks? Was another one? Man, that movie would never exist if it was made today. It's, with that Me Too movement going on, people would be pissed off. Alright. I'll be back if the storm gets more exciting. Bye.